Hello my dear students. Welcome back to the English class, and today we will continue with the lesson number 3, that is the seed of truth. Okay students. So before starting the remaining parts, let's take a quick look of the lesson. So this story is about a kingdom named Gandhara, and it was ruled by a very fair and honest king, and the name of that king was Vidyadhara. So the people of that kingdom, they were very happy as they had a very fair and honest king. But as the king was getting older, so everyone was worried. Now why were they worried? Why the people of that kingdom were worried? Because that king, he didn't had any child, and so the people were worried that who will be their next king after the king passes away. Okay. Now what happened that the king, he was a very expert gardener, and he spent a lot of time tending his garden, taking good care of his plants. Okay. And he had all the finest of trees, flowers, fruits and vegetables. All the finest trees were there in his garden. And one day while he was working in his garden, he announced that he will distribute some seeds to all the children in his kingdom, and the one who grows the biggest and healthiest plant within 3 months out of that seed will become the prince or the princess of Gandhara kingdom after the king is gone. Okay, after the king passes away, that child will become the prince or the princess of Gandhara kingdom. So next day there was long line of parents as well as their children outside the palace, and all of them, they were very eager, very interested to get the best seed and grow the best plant. And among those children there was a farmer's son, and his name was Pingala. He, like the king, he too was fond of gardening, and he grew many beautiful plants in his backyard. So he took the seed from the king and planted it in a pot and took good care of that seed. Now some days passed. After some days, what did he do? He gave the plant, he watered the plant regularly whenever necessary, and after some time he gave that plant, he added manure to that plant so that the growth of that there was no plant now at the time, so he gave the manure to the seed. Okay. Now what happened? But the plant did not appear. Okay. Still, even though he was adding water and fertilizer, manure at the required time, still the plant didn't appear. There was no sapling out of that seed. Now what happened? Pingala, he thought that might be there in the soil or the conditions are not favorable for the seed to germinate. So he transferred that seed to another pot, but still at the end of 3 months, nothing happened. There was no plant. Okay. No plant sprouted out of that seed. Okay. Now what happened? Finally that day came. That day arrived when the children had to go to the king to show the plant that they had grown in those 3 months. So everyone dressed in their best dresses, holding beautiful plants in their hands, they started walking towards the king's palace. Only Pingala, he stood sadly. He was standing and he was very sad and was watching all the children passing by. Okay. Then Pingala's father, who was also watching his son's hard work while he was trying to grow the plant, he had also seen his hard work. So his father, he advised him that why don't you go to the king with this empty pot? At least the king will know that you tried your best. So Pingala, he thought that yes, my father is saying nice, okay, it is good, I should go, at least I have tried my best. So today we will start from this stanza. Okay children. So Pingala, too wore his best clothes and joined the others outside the palace, holding his empty pot in his hand and ignoring the laughter around him. Soon the king arrived and began his inspection. The pots held flowers of different shades, beautiful and healthy, but the king did not look happy. At the end of the line stood Pingala, and when the king reached him, he stopped in surprise. Now what happened? So King Pingala, he also wore his best clothes and joined the group of children that were standing outside the palace. Okay, and he was holding his empty pot in his hands, and as he didn't had any plant in his pot, so all the children, they were laughing at Pingala, but still he ignored the laughter of those children. Now what happened then? Soon the king, he came and he began checking. Okay, he began his inspection. Inspection means checking. He started checking the plants of all those children. The pots held flowers of different shades, beautiful and healthy. So in the pots of those children, there were flowers with different shades, beautiful colors, and they looked very healthy. But the king did not look happy. But still the king was not happy. Even though he saw healthy plants with different flowers of different shades, various shades, still the king didn't look happy. At the end of the line, there was Pingala, and when king reached him, the king, he stopped in surprise. He was surprised to see the empty pot of Pingala. Okay, now, child, why have you come with an empty pot? Could you not grow anything? Now the king, he asked the question to Pingala, that child, why is your pot empty? Why have you not grown anything? Could you not grow anything? Now what happened, children? Pingala looked down and said, forgive me, your highness. I tried my best. I gave it the best soil and manure I had, but the plant would not grow. Now Pingala, as he was feeling very sad, so he was looking down, and he said, forgive me, your highness. That means he asked for mercy. He said, please forgive me. I beg your pardon, that your highness. Your highness is, it means that he addressed to the king, that your highness, I tried my best. Highness is the address to the king. Okay, so he said, I tried my best and I gave it the best soil and the best manure that I had, but the plant still it didn't grew. Okay, the seed, it didn't germinated, and I didn't got any plant. There was no growth in my seed. Now the king's face broke into a smile. He enveloped Pingala in his arms and announced, here is the crown prince. I had given everyone roasted seeds, which would never grow, just to see which child was the most honest one, and would admit he or she has not been able to grow anything. Only this boy told the truth. I am sure he will rule this kingdom one day with truth and honesty. Now, on hearing the answer of Pingala, the king, he started smiling, and what did he do? He hugged Pingala in his arms out of joy and announced that this is going to be the prince. I have found the crown prince. And he declared that I had given everyone roasted seeds, and children, roasted seeds, they don't grow, they cannot grow. Okay, so the king said that only this child is the honest. Okay, is the honest among all these children, and he has only this child has admitted that he was not able to grow anything. He told me the truth, whereas all the others, they cheated. Okay, they brought the healthy plants and just showed their plants to the king. Okay, they thought that the king would not know that what has happened, and so they brought another plant. Okay, now only this boy told the truth. I am sure. Now the king said that I'm very sure that this child, as he is a very honest and trustworthy child, he will rule this kingdom one day. Okay. And indeed, that was what happened. When the king grew old and died, Pingala, who had learned everything from him, came to the throne and ruled Gandhara justly for many years. And the same thing happened, children. Okay. As the king, he had got his crown prince, so he taught each and everything to Pingala. And after the death of King Vidyadhara, Pingala came to the throne and ruled the Gandhara kingdom justly for many years. Okay, so that's all in the story, children. And what is the message that it gives us? So the message that it gives us is that we all should be trustworthy, truthful, and honest. We should all of us should try to inculcate all these good qualities in ourselves. Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed the story and will follow the moral that the story gives us. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.